Okay, the next two are 10-year employees. This is just an amazing honor. First up, that guy behind the laptop, Terry Chen.
It's all set to go. So just hold it like this. What are you doing? Nothing. It's recording. Can you hold it though, Linda, so I can take a picture? Try not to hit any of the buttons. Okay, you're cutting their head out of it.
Well, you'll get yours eventually.
I don't know if you can hold it down so that your hand is stable. That might be better than
I
it's
think
not.
everybody here knows Terry, but
Oh, yeah.
I think what a lot of people don't know is how much Terry contributes to membership and senior staff. And there's a lot of stuff that Terry does behind the scenes, and I get calls from membership all the time just with accolades on how he jumps in and devotes after-hour time, and they just love Terry. And one of the things that was suggested, and this is sort of a tradition that usually goes on with membership, is top 10 list. They usually reserved for, when people, so we made it a top 5 list. I thought I'd just read a few of these. Number 5. This is the top 5 reasons Terry is so popular at SAG. He's a de facto SAG photographer, so everyone's nice to him so they look good in company pictures. Number 4, he has more devices on his belt than Batman. Number 3, he has the biggest lenses at the Guild. Number 2, he could get you a BlackBerry. And number 1, he has more dirt on senior staff and elected and nobody wants to risk getting on his bad side. It's bad when he finally writes a book.
Well, thank you, everyone. I just want to, first of all, thank my boss for not firing me when he had a chance. Allow me to make it through my 10 years. It's been a pleasure working here the last 10 years. In a blink, really, to me, it's in a blink. And if it weren't for my 3 ID badges, I wouldn't be able to tell how much hair I had back then. 10 years. If you look at the years that goes through, but it's been a pleasure. I love working here. I love servicing the membership and everybody here in the Guild. So give me a jingle if you need something. If I can do that, I'll do it.
Okay, our last honoree and 10-year service is Hortense Peoples.